Okay, everybody, so now we're going to talk about the rest of the ingredients real quick before we start to layer. The first one is, as I mentioned earlier, the oven-ready lasagna noodles. Sometimes they're labeled as no-bake lasagna noodles. I just always buy the Walmart brand. This is much easier than boiling the noodles. I have made the lasagna with homemade lasagna noodles, fresh pasta, but I really don't make that too often, and that's so much work. This is much easier. Regular mozzarella cheese, and then also the ricotta. Now, when I grew up, my mother made Italian dishes using cottage cheese, not ricotta, and a lot of people prefer that. I just started using the ricotta when I kind of started tweaking this recipe, and that's just what I prefer, but I don't know that there's a huge difference if you're used to using cottage cheese in a lasagna or a manicotti and you want to go with that. I don't think it would make a massive difference. I'm just a little bit of a cheese snob sometimes, and I just really like ricotta, so that's what I use. Anyway, so those are our other ingredients. Also just wanted to show you applying the ricotta. I put mine in a gallon Ziploc, snip the tip, and then I'm able to kind of just kind of layer that in little squiggles, which I will show you once we start spooning the sauce. But just wanted to cover those ingredients real quick.